What would you like to tell people about life coaching? What is it? How does it work? How can it benefit people?
See, I feel that the age-old wisdom of our civilization had a lot of logic in how the life should be lived. And that wisdom has gone to dogs because of various things of domination by invaders, their own agenda, and then the policy of the Britishers to do divide and rule, and so many such like things, and the corruption and the crime which has come in, which is not allowing a proper education system to function, and then the business and the marketing requirement of people to make profits have overtaken every other ethical principle, and then you keep on getting fed, especially in the nowadays today's social media dominant world, that you are bombarded with things which are not relevant to life at all. So people do not know how to live a balanced life, and the people who are 50 to 60 year olds now, they don't know, and then the people who are 25 to 30 years, they have absolutely no idea, and then those people cannot further bring up their children in a desired fashion, and the whole society is going to go to dogs the way the Western society has gone, when people children after 13 years are supposed to earn their livelihood, and after 18 they are deliberately kicked out of the house, and then divorces and remarriages and single parenting. मैंने कहीं पर एक हिंदी में डायलॉग सुना था किसी पिक्चर में कि जब माँ दूसरी होती है तो बाप तीसरा हो जाता है. So there is family value system needs to be brought in. The people have to be oriented, and they have to be taken away from the day-to-day exigencies, the problems, the emergencies, and the insecurities of economic survival, job loss, and so many other things which are troubling the human mind, and a person is not able to think clearly. And I believe you have solutions of every problem within yourself, but then you need to be only guided to find your own solutions. And then, as they say, opinions are like children, everybody likes their own, so you cannot impose your own advice, mentoring or counseling, and you have to allow the people to find their own solutions with a little bit of a help of contextual clarity. And I think this is what life coaching is, and this is what I like to do the best.